How to earn points on Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're on the Me page, here you're going to find different sections. First, you will need to do the daily check-in. So go ahead and click on the option of check-in given under More Services. Click on that option. You can daily check-in and earn daily points. Then you can complete your profile, fill out your profile information to get extra points. This includes verifying your email address, likewise adding other personal details. Then every purchase you make on Shein earn you points. The more you shop, the more points you accumulate. After purchasing items, write reviews about the products. You get additional points for including photos and detailed feedback. Keep an eye on special events and contests hosted by Shein. Participating in these can earn you bonus points. Participate in the Shein community by liking and commenting on other users' reviews and posts. Sometimes Shein offer points for following their social media accounts or participating in social media campaigns. Following all these steps, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to earn Shein points. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.